cell. నేను సాయి గారిని అడిగా, అరే బర్త్డే అని ముందే చెప్పొచ్చు కదరా, చెప్తే చేసేవాళ్ళం కదరా ఏదో ఒకటి అంటే, వాడు ఎవరికి చెప్పొద్దు అన్నాడు రా, అందుకే నేను చెప్పలేదు అని చెప్పి అన్నాడు వాడు. అది
Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. It is audible? Yeah. In a previous class, we are starting, some network problem occurred. Now we are adding or dropping constraints on existing table. We are starting. Already table is there. In that table only, adding a what? A new constraints. Otherwise, adding a new column with constraint, I am telling. What I am telling in a where two rules I am telling in every database. What is that one means? First one. In Oracle, if you want to add constraints on existing table, existing column, then we are using table level syntax method. I am telling only. In that class, what I am telling, suppose here, now check it out. In a previous class, what I am telling, this is a table is there. W1 is a table. Now in this table, S number is a column is there, already there. Now I want to add a primary key, I'm asking. Whenever we are adding a constraints on existing table, existing column, at the time of table creation, already have an idea, but already existing table, existing columns, create table W1, I am telling in a previous class. This is a table is there. Now I want to add a constraints on existing table, existing column is now table level syntax method. How can I alter table name, add table level means constraint type is first, no, primary space key. Here within the brackets group of columns or column like this. This is called table level constraint. Constraint type is first, then only within the bracket columns only. That is called table level syntax method only. But unfortunately, what I'm asking next only in Oracle, if you want to add a new column along with constraint, suppose here, this is a table is there, W1. Here I want to add a new column, name only, along with unique constraint I'm asking. Whenever you're adding a new column along with constraint, then we are using a what? A column level syntax method. In a previous class, we are starting like this. Column level syntax method means how can I alter table name, W1, add first column name. What is the data type is there? Varchar2. Here column name, data type, constraint type, that is called column level syntax method. Okay, this is the way. Up to this one, we are discussing in a way in a previous classes. Now today, observe here, concentrate here. Up to this one in a previous class, we are learning or not? Yes, here. Now concentrate. Very, 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 very important. Actually, interviewer are interested to ask a what? Adding a constraints on existing table, existing column is two questions they are asking. One is foreign key, so many fellows are asking. Why? Because primary key, check, unique, very easy. But foreign key you are telling me is great. Again, foreign key, so many fellows are confusing. And now again, another interview question means not null they are asking. Why? Because these two are different. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. And now concentrate here. Now already W1 table is there. Slowly observe here, very interesting. This is a W1 table is there. Okay, fine. Already previous class you have an idea. Here S number is a column is there. Okay, fine. Here primary key. Diagrammatical observe here, primary key. Now today I want another table. Observe here. Suppose another table is available. Okay, fine. W2 is a table already there. For example, at the time of table creation, everyone knows, but already there this table. Same column is there. Now already W2 table is there. Now what is my requirement? I want to add a foreign key. Now tell me, very, very important. Practically you are telling, I think. Now I want to add a foreign key in a W table S number column. This foreign key related to where? Primary key in a where? W1 table S number column. I want to add a foreign key into this W2 table only. And now here maybe some fellows are guessing, I think. Suppose here this is a W2 table is there. Don't write it, 1 minute only. Now you are telling a practically means enough. Suppose here this is a table is there. Create table. W2 is a table. Here S number is a column. But at the time of table creation, I don't want. Already have an idea. Now in this W2 table, I want to add a foreign key. That foreign key refers to the primary key in a W1 table. Now anybody tell me? Yes, how can I fast? Very good. Alter table name, add. Very good. But whenever we are adding a constraints on existing table, existing column, which method we are using? Very good. Table level method. Table level. If you want to add a constraints on existing table, existing column, then we are using a what? Table level syntax method. But in a foreign key, everybody attending a previous classes means column level and a table level, I am telling. But a table level means within the bracket, we are telling a what? Two keywords, you are observing or not. Table level, I am telling only in a foreign key in a previous classes. In that case, yes, within the bracket, only two keywords, write it already, I am telling or not. One is foreign key is a keyword, comma, references is a keyword. That's why previous classes important. Now here, yes, whenever we are adding a what? A constraints on existing table, existing column, then we are using a what? Table level syntax method. In this table level in a foreign key means two keywords we are using. One is what? A foreign key keyword. Another one is what? Very good. A references keyword. Through this one, you are telling only correct. Now here, maybe guess it. How can I? Very good. Some fellows telling alter. Very good. Alter. Table. What is the table name? W2. Add. Yes, your foreign key. Very good. Otherwise, constraint name also. Foreign key. Now, which column? S number is a column. Very good. Here, references to master table. Which table? W1 table. In a W1, which column? S number. Same column is there. I'm not interested to use also not a column. Now, on delete cascade, you want means what? On space, delete space, cascade. That much of powerful. You don't want on delete cascade means leave that one. You want on delete cascade means on delete cascade. But I don't want on delete cascade like this only. Now here, check it out. Yes, here. Add foreign RE spelling. No? E is there. Now here, yes, here. Now check it out. Yes, this is the way we are adding or not. Yes, here. Write it. Adding foreign key. Adding foreign key, right? That's why rules you have an idea. Nothing is there. Adding foreign key. Existing table, okay. Suppose new column along with constraint means references class is enough. Okay, yeah, very good. That is a column level, no? Yeah. Write it this one. Create table W2 like this. This one, right? Table level syntax method means always foreign key covered. References is a keyword, no? Yeah. This one, right? Suppose a new column along with foreign key means references is enough. Foreign key keyword is not required because column level means references keyword. Table level means foreign key, comma, references keyword. That is, keep it in mind. But unfortunately, up to now, primary key very easy, unique key very easy, foreign key also, entry question also may be very easy only. Existing table, existing column. But unfortunately, now very important concept. What is that one? Means suppose up to now, two tables you have an idea. W1 primary key, W1 a unique key I'm adding, W2 foreign key. Suppose another table is there, W3. Now you are telling this one means great. This is a W3 is a table is there. Okay, fine. Slowly observe here. W3 is a table. In this table, S number is a column is there, for example. In this column, I want to add a what? A not null constraint. Okay, at the time of table creation, you have an idea, but after table creation, I want to add a not null. How can I? Anybody guess it? Suppose W3 is a table is there, S number is a column is there. Already the table, that column is there. Now I want to add a constraints on existing table, existing column, not null. Primary key very easy, unique key very easy, check very easy. Foreign key also recently we are learning, but unfortunately not null means problem. Because according to database rules, whenever we are adding a constraints on existing table, existing column, table level syntax method we are using. But unfortunately, table level is not there in a way in your not null constraint. Already we are discussing or not? Yes, here. Suppose, for example, now check it out, practically observe it here. Suppose this is a table, create table, table name, W3, here S number, number. Now I want to, at the time of table creation, you have an idea, but I don't want like this. After table creation, I want to add a constraint means I am also, you are also thinking, oh, maybe adding a constraints on existing table, existing column, then the ANSI standard giving table level syntax method. Table level means how can I alter table, table name, W3, add only first is not space null within the bracket column name. This is called table level syntax method. But unfortunately, all the constraints are working except not null. Not null does not support table level. There is a problem. Now we are trying to write a what like this, impossible, because not null does not support a what table level. All the constraints are different, not null is different. That's why it won't work. It won't work. It will give us a what error. Suppose, oh, maybe this is a error is occurred. That's why I try to write a what column level. Column level I'm using. Column level means how can I alter table, table name, W3, add only here column name first, then only not null. This is also not working. Why? Because column level means here you are observing or not, column name, data type compulsory. But data type I am not using, only column name, not null I'm using. That is also not working. Okay, this is also not working only. Now that's why here it will give us a error. Need to specify the data type for this column. Suppose I try to specify the what data type here, S number, number, here not null, like this only. Whenever I am specifying data type also, this is a column level also, again it won't work. Why? Because already S number column is there. Two column names are not same in a where in a database table. That's why, yes, it won't work. It won't work here. Column being added already existed in a table. That's why to overcome these all problems, ANSI ISO SQL giving award, we cannot add not null constraint on existing table, existing column, but we can modify not null to null and null to not null possible. They are telling. How can I mean is anybody attending about first initial classes? Maybe you are familiar. I think first day I am telling alter command. I am telling in that alter command only what I am telling, alter with add I am telling, alter with drop I am telling, but one of the stays alter with modify I'm telling. Observe here, alter with modify. In that class, alter with modify, we are telling about data type or data type size we are changing. But here, alter with modify through, we are adding a not null constraint in existing table, existing column possible. This is alter with modify. This is not a column level, this is not a table level. Because now if you want to add a constraints on existing column, table level, but unfortunately not null does not support table level. That's why ANSI ISO SQL providing alter with modify they are providing. Okay na? Alter with modify to null to not null to null only. How can I? The syntax is totally different. Suppose in this case we are using alter table name W3 here modify column name here not null. This is the way we are adding only. Observe here, table is altered or not? Yes, different syntax. Suppose DSC, what is the table name? W3. Now I want to add a new column along with not null means you are only telling only, but here basically like this. That's why not null is different only. And now write a note. Write a note. Write a note in Oracle. In Oracle, if you want to add, not null constraint on existing table, existing column, then we are using alter with modify. Then we are using alter with modify by using following syntax. This syntax is different. Yeah. Syntax alter table name modify alter table name modify column name. At a time only one column name. Here not space null to null, not null to null. Write it this one. Column keyword is not there. Column name not null. Okay. Example, write it. Go to SQL from create table name W3. At the time of table creation, don't write it. Already have an idea? Yeah. Alter table name W3. Modify. Add is not there. Modify. S number not null. This example, right? Simple, no? Like this. You are interested to check me is not null is DSC also visible. Remaining constraint not visible. Completed. Nobody lately connected means fastly write it. This note, take a snap fast and this syntax, this exam. Completed? Yeah, very good. Now check it out. Now I'm asking one question. Maybe everyone telling a correct answer, I think. Suppose here, this is a W3 is a table is there. Okay, fine. In this table, S number column already not null is there. Okay, fine. Now I want to add a new column. Here I want to add a new column. Name is a column. Along with not null I want. Yes, here only name is a column, for example. Yes, along with this column, not null I want only. How can I practically tell me? Now here anybody? Very good. Alter. Now guess it. Alter table. Very good. Table name. What is the table name? W3. Add or modify. Very good. Add. Add is working. Why? Because this is not a existing table, existing column. Here new column along with constraint. New column along with constraint means column level syntax method. Column level syntax is supported by with the not null constraint. Possible or not? Yes, possible. Very good. Very good. Now add only, not a modify. Here add. Now whatever column is there, name varchar 2. Here not null only. Now here yes, not null working. That's why a new column along with constraint means there is no problem. Existing table, existing column only problem. New column is there is no problem. Really correct. Suppose here I try to add column level syntax, no, alter table name. That's why anybody attending previous classes. Existing table, existing column means table level syntax. New column is column level syntax. Your area means enough. Alter table name, add here new column name. What is the data type? Varchar 2 here, not space null. Yes, possible or not? A table alter. Now here a DSC. What is the table name is there? W3. Yes, both the things. Not null is there or not? Yes, right. Another example, right? Completed? Yes, very good. Now concentrate here. Why we are learning about this concept? Adding a constraint, every person must familiar. Why every developer must familiar this one? Anybody interviewer asking me, you are not telling properly, me so many interviewer rejected those candidates only. Why means reason is there. Actually, in a real-time project side, so many times these type of things we are using. What is that one means? In a project side, one concept is there. Copying a table from another table, already we are telling in a first initial class. This is a empty table is there. We are copying a what table or creating a table from another table. What happened? Copying a table from another table. What happened? Copying to another table. Yes, very good. Whenever we are copying a table from another table in a database, all constraints are never copied. That is important. Only not null is copied. Not null only copied. But remaining constraints, primary key, foreign key, check not null, sorry, primary key, foreign key, check unique, not copied. Remaining constraints are not copied. In that case, already existing table is there. Whatever constraint related concepts are there, those all constraints we are adding into a newly copied table. In that case, very helpful. That's why if you want to, yeah, okay, so now if you want to copy the table from another table, copy it, not a problem. But constraints also you want means constraints are not copied except not null in every database. But those constraints we are adding only in existing table, existing column possible. Now, really that is correct or not, check it out, 5 minutes, concentrate. Suppose here, this is a table is there. Select a star from DEPT. Now, I am creating a what DEPT table, department number is a primary key. I am creating a what another table. How can I create table name DEPT1, for example, as select a star from DEPT like this. Whenever we are creating a table from another table, yes, here select a star from DEPT1 is there. In this DEPT1, I want to add a primary key means how can I? Very good. Existing table, existing column is alter table name DEPT1 add table level syntax. Table level syntax means primary key first, then only within the bracket DEPT number like this only possible or not? Yes. No. Suppose here EMP table is there. Select a star from EMP. In this EMP table, Oracle Corporation giving employee number is a what? Primary key. And the department number is a foreign key they are giving. Suppose here I am creating a new table. Create table, table name EMP1 as select star from EMP, for example. Whenever we are copying a table from another table like this, select star from EMP1. Now in this table, I want to add a primary key on employee number column. How can I? Adding a constraints on existing table, existing column, then we are using table level syntax method. Alter table, table name, add, here constraint type, primary space, key only, here employee number like this. And now, yes, I want to add a what? A department number column foreign key in a EMP1 table that is related to where primary key in a DEPT1 table, and also on delete cascade I want, for example. Suppose any interviewer asking add a on delete cascade means directly not possible. First drop a foreign key, then only foreign key along with on delete cascade. Same like here, department number column, I want to add a what? So foreign key. Yes, related to where primary key in a where department number column in a where DEPT table, DEPT1 table, and also on delete cascade I want. How can I alter table, table name EMP1 only, add foreign key, and now here foreign space key only, and now here department number column, here references to master table DEPT1. In this DEPT1 department number is a column. Here on space delete space cascade you want means on delete cascade, you don't want all delete cascade means you don't want on cascade. Simple, no? Now not null constraint is copied or not copied. Check it out. DSC, what is the table name? W3. Now I'm copying a table from another table. Create table, new table name W4 as here select star from W3. Whenever we are using the word copying a table from another table, DSC W4, yes, not null is copied or not? That's why everybody asking about interviewer, whenever we are copying a table from another table, what happened in every database means only one thing. All constraints are never copied except not null. Okay. Not null is copied in every database. Remaining all the constraints are never copied only. That is write it, write a note. Write a note, write it. Write a note. In Oracle, sorry, in all databases better. Write it. In all relational databases, write it. In all relational databases, whenever we are copying a, table from another table, then all constraints are never copied. All constraints are never copied except not null constraint. Except not null constraint. Example, write it, select star from example 1, write it. 2 examples, not null. Select star from DEPT. You're copying a table from another table, you are only trying it. Create table DEPT1 as select star from DPT. Now select the star from DPT1. Go to SQL prompt, alter table name DPT1, add primary key, here department number. Go to SQL prompt, another table, select the star from EMP. Now create a table name EMP1 as select the star from EMP. Here select the star from EMP1. Alter table name EMP1, add primary key, here employee number. Table level no existing table, existing column. Suppose on delete cascade I want roughly. Alter table name EMP1, add foreign key, department number, reference, master table DEPT1. Here department number, on space, delete space, cascade. Okay, you want that one only, just here. Otherwise, you don't want non-delete cascade, not a problem. Example 2. Now DSC W3 is there. Now I'm creating W4 as select star W3. Now DSC W4. Now not nulls are copied visible now. Yeah, write it these two examples. This note only through this one write it. Every database same. On delete cascade is an optional, okay? You are using or not using. DSC means a describe table. Whenever DSC table name is not null is visible, remaining constraints are not visible. Why you are asking like that? Write it. That's when you're asking what you add on delete cascade on existing table, existing column is along with the foreign key only we are adding, okay? Without foreign key, how it is possible? Impossible. Already foreign key is there, means drop that foreign key, add foreign key with the on delete cascade, okay? Because individual on delete cascade is not there. For example. Completed? Example 1 completed? Yeah. Example 2 also write it, because any constraint also we are adding only. But here DSC W3 means not null is there. Not null, we are copying another table, means again not null is visible, because not null is copied, they are telling. That is we are checking only. Next one, last technical concept in these 5 constraints only, dropping constraints. Suppose in a so many project side, dropping a what constraints on existing table, existing column, possible, same alter with drop only, but slight difference. Write it. So writing dropping constraints. Dropping constraints. Actually, how you are dropping a constraint means simple technique is there. Anybody having idea? How can I drop a constraint? Means so many fellows are syntax they are telling, but interview are not satisfied. Only one technique is there. Through that one you are telling me interview are satisfied. What is that one means? In a previous classes, constraint name I am telling, you are observing or not? Whenever we are creating a constraint, so automatically unique identification number is generated. That is called predefined constraint name I am telling. Otherwise, no constraint keyword is there. Through that one also we are creating our own user defined name. I'm telling or not. This is unique. Suppose I'm creating a check constraint means in that check constraint one unique number. Again another check constraint we are creating means another unique number. Again primary key means another unique number. That is called constraint name. That constraint name we are dropping means automatically constraint is dropped or not. Simple technique. That's why how you are dropping a constraints in your project. Anybody ask me, don't try to tell syntax. Yes, in my project I try to drop the constraint by using constraint name. You are telling me then you are a good professional. Simple. Oh, maybe constraint name through only possible. Why? Because constraint name is single, unique. That name you are dropping means automatically constraint is dropped. Simple technique only. Now okay na? Constraint names either user defined or predefined. But project side user defined only you are using. But outside you are not creating a what user defined constraint so many times. No, that's why predefined anything also. But ANSI ISO SQL giving a syntax as at a time only one constraint you are dropping only. What the syntax means? Don't write it only. Two methods they are giving. Dropping constraint means in a database two methods are there. Method one, how can I mean? Don't write it here, observe it here. What is the syntax means? Practically I'm applying. Alter command is there? No? Yes. Alter table name. Here drop. Here constraint is a keyword they are giving. Constraint name. Constraint name only. But only one constraint at a time we are allowed to drop. Two constraint means not possible. Okay. Now again, but unfortunately, without constraint name, some other method they are giving. That is the second method. But in that method, yes, here primary key only possible, because primary key only one thing is there. No? That's why without constraint name also primary key possible only. How can I? Now what is the syntax they are giving means? Now here method two only primary key purpose. Second method is working. Alter table name, drop primary key like this. This is the way. Write it. These two syntaxes. In every database, same syntax. Every database, same. Write it. Dropping constraint method one. Alter table name, drop constraint name. Method two. Alter table name, drop primary key. Completed. Actually, first method is the best method forever, really. Second method easy, but primary key only second method is working. But other than primary key, first method is a better option or not? Yes, here. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Concentrate here. First, I am telling you what something. Now, suppose this is a table is there. Don't write it. Here, observe it here. Create table. W5 is a table is there. Now, in this table, primary key is there. For example, now I want to drop this primary key dead easy. Second method is a better option. No? Suppose here only I want to remove the what this primary key only. The second method only better option because without knowing a constraint name also second method through primary key easily we are dropping. How can I alter table name W5 drop primary key? How much easy? Very easy or not? Yes, here. Okay, up to now there is no problem. But unfortunately, today, one of the stage you are telling only W1 is a primary key is there, W1 table, primary key is there. This primary key is related to where another foreign key I am telling. W2 table is there, S number foreign key is there. Now, anybody try to drop a what a primary key. If that primary key is referenced with a foreign key, then we cannot drop it. Impossible. Single individual table primary key means very easy, but whenever a table having a what primary key, that primary key reference to the another table maybe in a where foreign key is there or not. In that case, we cannot drop that primary key. Now check it out. Suppose I am trying W1 table is there, no? In that one I am trying. Now here check it out. Here alter, don't write it. Table name W1 table. W1 table drop because the W1 table primary key referenced with the W2 table foreign key not today. W1 drop primary space key only. Impossible. It will give a what error? Error, slowly read that one. This unique also there. This unique or primary key is referenced by some foreign keys or not. That's why how you are dropping a what that primary key means first to go to where table, in that table foreign child table, in that table foreign key drop it, then only we are allowed to drop a what a primary key. But that is very difficult. Why? Because one table means so many foreign key tables are there. In that one, which table primary key reference to the foreign key data dictionaries are not available. Only through documentation we are identifying only. That's why what they are telling a Oracle Corporation or ANSI standard means whenever we are dropping a what primary key, automatically remaining related foreign keys I want to drop automatically means simple technique is there. Alter with the drop with the primary key with the cascade is a clause we are using, not a on delete cascade. Only cascade is a clause is there, then automatically primary key and reference to foreign keys are dropped. How can I miss? Alter table name drop primary key cascade we are using. Now observe here cascade. Now cascade only clause we are using means automatically reference to foreign keys also dropped automatically. That is a beauty only. Now remaining now here this not null is there. This constraint I want to drop means I will tell you. First this nodes write it. Primary key dropping purpose. First example write it. Example. Create table W5. This one right. Now example 2 also right. This is example 1. But example 2 error no W1 table reference with the W1 W2 table foreign key no. This error write it, then I will tell you solution. First example and also second example. Right? Now second example finished, error write it, error. This error also write. Now this nodes write it. But database same thing. Write it after second example error, write it this nodes, small point. In Oracle, if you want to drop primary key along with the referenced foreign key, then we must use cascade clause by using following syntax. By using following syntax. Syntax write it. Alter table name, drop primary key. Actually, constraint keyword syntax also same, but cascade last only. Cascade. Alter table name, drop primary key, cascade. Syntax. Okay, this example write it. This example right. Table is alter. Completed. Now screen observe it here. Suppose this is a table is there. Okay, in a table. Okay, fine. Big table they are giving. W5 or W4 or W4. Okay, in a previous case, W3, W4 is there. Here, so many columns are there, but you are entry you're asking, I want to drop this not null constraint on the name column. Name column not null constraint only I want to drop. Remaining, I don't want to drop. Otherwise, particular column constraint only I want to drop. They're asking either primary key, either unique, either check or anything. Yes, drop the where not null constraint on the where name column. They're asking. Whenever they're asking that one, how you are dropping, first method best option. Other than primary key means first method. What is the first method? Method one means alter table name drop constraint name. That's why this constraint name you have an idea, then only we are allowed to drop particular constraint. But how you are identifying the what constraint name is data dictionary you have an idea. Yes, which data dictionary through you are identifying the what column name along with constraint. Anybody remembering previous classes? In a previous classes, I am telling if you want to view constraint name along with column name means, otherwise column name along with constraint means another data dictionary is there. What is that one? User underscore. Very good. One fellow is telling CONS underscore columns data dictionary. User underscore constraint data dictionary means only constraint name and also occasion of constraint type is there. But here column names and constraint names are visible means which column constraint you want to be interested to drop is that column constraints only you are dropping or not. Very good. But if you want to view column names along with constraint names, what is the data dictionary Oracle provided? User underscore CONS underscore columns. That's why previous chapters are previous classes are very important. That's why so many fellows are user underscore constraints. They are telling wrong one. User underscore CONS underscore columns. Really, that is correct. Suppose This is a name column, not null. I want to drop means you are a good professional. First, we are learning DSC user underscore CONS underscore columns is a data dictionary. In this one, column name also is available and constraint name also available or not? Yes, here. Now through that one, select here column underscore names. Okay, fine. Like this column underscore name, comma constraint underscore name from user underscore CONS underscore columns where table underscore name is equal to what is the table name is W4 W4 capital letter. But unfortunately, I am not writing about constraint name. I am not writing. No, that's why sys underscore it is visible. Not a problem. Yes, observe here sys underscore system generated constraint name sys underscore C00755754 in a name constraint. That is we are dropping only by using alter table name drop constraint name. Really, that's why. Yes, here how can I drop alter table name W4 drop at a time only one constraint. Constraint is a keyword. Now constraint name sys underscore C00. Now here C007574 in our class only, in our system. Okay, not your system. DSC. Now here DSC. What is the table is there? W4. Then automatically not null is dropped in a where in a name column or not here. Now I want to drop this not null also. S number not null also. Possible. How can I? Yes, here sys underscore 00. And now here 7573 is there. Possible? Yes, here sys underscore. And now C00. And now 7573 is there. Yes, that is also dropping. And now table altered. Now DSC, what is the table name is there? W4 only. Yes, automatically those not null constraints we are dropping. Any constraint except the primary key, normal any constraint also constraint name through we have to identify. But before constraint name is compulsory, this knowledge is required because which constraint you have to drop means yes, that constraint name you must familiar, otherwise impossible. That's why this data dictionary knowledge is most powerful. Now example 3, write it. DSC W4. Now if you want to drop these constraints means now here go to SQL from DSC user underscore CONS underscore columns. This example, right? In my system, sys underscore this number. In your system, different number. Because user defined constraint name, I am not giving you. This one right. Completed. Fast. Hello, completed this one. In a constraint. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose so many fellows are, can we change what this sys underscore cn name they're asking? No, impossible. But user defined constraint name, we can rename it. Possible. User defined constraint name. How can I miss? Anybody I have an idea? Renaming a column, you have an idea? No? Renaming a column, you have an idea? How you are renaming a column? Alter table, table name, rename column, old column name to new column name. No. Yes, column keyword place, constraint keyword we are using, finished. Simple. That's a first initial chapter side syntaxes you are familiar means this is nothing. Now check it out. I am viewing only that one. Why? Because interview question that one. Suppose this is a table is there. Okay, fine. Create. Don't write it. Don't. Table name W6. Here S number is a column number. Don't write, very easy. But interviewer asking so many times. Constraint name PK underscore S number, for example. Anything, any name. Primary key, primary space key. Now this is a constraint is there. For example, user defined constraint name is there. Otherwise, data dictionary through we are retrieving this one. User defined constraint name. Can we rename that user defined constraint name? Oracle 10G onwards possible. How can I means alter table name W6. Now here rename. Add is there, no? Same like rename constraint. Old constraint name PK underscore S number 2. Old column name to new column name is there, same like PK underscore S number 2, PK underscore. Now here, yes, Z, anything also. Now here I'm using. Possible or not? That's why we can also rename a what user defined constraint name by using alter with the rename constraint keyword. But this is not required to by heart. Same like a renaming a column. Renaming a column is how can I first initial stage alter table name, rename column, old column name to new column name. Is the syntax is there or not? Yes. Just in place of this column, they are giving a what? Constraint is a keyword. Here constraint name they are giving one. Simple. That is why we are remembering means very easy only. Now here, but this is enter question. Can we change? Can we rename a predefined constraint name? Impossible. Can be renamed user defined constraint name? Possible. How can I miss alter with rename? Same like enable disable is there next, same thing. Or write it. Write a note. In Oracle, we can also rename user defined constraint name, user defined constraint name by using alter command. Syntax, write it. Alter table name, rename constraint old constraint name to new constraint name. Constraint name is user defined. Okay. One example, write it enough. These are technical, very easy. Master writing. These are small syntaxes. Now side heading, enable or disable constraint. Enable disable means whenever we are disabling means without dropping means that constraint violation is stopping. Simple. Again, we are enabling means that constraint violation is activated. These are rare cases there is. Enable or disable constraint. Completed this example, W6. Enable or disable constraints. Now write it in Oracle by using alter command. We can also enable or disable constraint. Syntax. A simple same syntax only. Alter table name rename is there no same. Enable or disable. Simple constraint name. Simple. Alter table name, disable constraint name compulsory. Okay, constraint name. Another syntax. Alter table name, enable constraint constraint name. Alter table name, disable constraint name. Again, another syntax, alter table name, enable constraint name. Just the same like a rename, only disable enable is there, remaining same constraint name. This is regularly not using, administrator using only sometimes. And now here check it out. Suppose here very easy, create a table name W7. Yes, number is a color, anything number. Here constraint name, otherwise predefined constraint sys underscore. Okay, constraint name tk underscore anything. For example, now ww, for example www, and now here yes your primary key. This is the way some constraint we are creating. For example, I try to insert a data, insert into w7, here values 1 I am inserting. Again I try to insert one duplicate data, it won't work. Now I want to disable this constraint, means alter table name w7. Yes, disable, because without dropping only, disable constraint name pk underscore www, like this only. Whenever disabling means, now I try to insert, yes, here duplicate data also possible or not, because without dropping only we are disabling, simple. Then constraint violation changed or not, primary key is not working, or now here in this case. That's why always in a database also, yes, without dropping a constraint, enable disabling also possible, but this is a rare cases project set. But interviewer asking means you are telling like this. Okay, yeah, first fastly write it this one example, very easy. Disable, enable, regularly not using also ANSI standards this one example, either predefined or user defined constraint also possible. Write it example, table is created, because primary key means we cannot insert duplicate data, no, but we are disabling means insert duplicate data possible. Again we are enabling means again we cannot insert duplicate. Simple. Enable disable means okay, suppose primary key is there, they are not inserting a what, a duplicate data, but whenever you want to duplicate data we have to, yes, insert means then automatically disable it. Disable means that is not working, no, primary key violation is changed. Again you want enable means enable it, nothing. Change in the constraint violation. Okay, yeah, simple. That is also you are asking, means not Okay, na? These are the 5 technical constraints regularly used in a very database. Okay, same concept. But unfortunately, Oracle extra concepts are the default on null, truncate table, cascade. Remaining all the things are same in a database. Okay, na? First chapter, joins, very important. Again, constraints most powerful. But next chapter is very important. This is key concept. What is that one means? Subqueries. Write a query to display and the salary employee, write a query to delete duplicate rows. Yes, a ranking function. So many things are there. Very important. Now here, yes, here, this chapter only most powerful chapter in a total database. In a databases in the worldwide also, you must familiar properly subquery chapter. Very important. Main chapter only this one. This is important. Subquery or nested queries. Very important. This is 99% common in every database. But 1% is different in a different databases. Subqueries or nested queries. Okay, na main heading. But unfortunately, tomorrow I will tell you that is better because so many fellows are more time we are spending this break. They are asking. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you better. Okay, why? Because this is a very important chapter. Tomorrow onwards, up to some stages, don't miss the classes. Why? Because total key concept in a database subqueries only. Interviewer satisfied whenever they are asking a queries, you are writing properly. Without writing a queries, you are unable to select. That much powerful. That's why this chapter only key concept. This is a very big chapter, but very important chapter. Very easy way I will tell you all the things. Why? Because complex things are there in a subquery side. Okay, fine. But easy way I'm designing all the things. You are also writing the what queries, big queries, very easy way. Now here. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay, na? Yes, don't miss the classes tomorrow. First learn only. Okay, when you are completing or anything, first listen. These are very important chapters. Up to subquery you are attending, then your own way you are learning remaining concepts, not a problem. Okay, because these are very important. Remaining you are reading your own way, understandable, nothing. Okay, na? Tomorrow don't miss the classes tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow will continue.